Don't touch it, Mom. Oh!
Oh, it's the cheekbone!
The Oreo game. Good job, Mom. You got this. Oh, yeah. Oh. Eliza! Josh, Abby! Oh, good.
That's my issue. All right, patience, patience, Eliza.
Oh my gosh.
Did you get it?
It's a video, but that's impressive. Mom.
Look at this. Look at this. She's got it standing up.
Everybody look at Mom. Look at Mom.
Why? It won't turn. It's like caught on your hair.
The wrinkles must be. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
There's a hair like holding it up.
Big hand for everybody.
Woo!
Did Eliza do it? Eliza, you're so
Wait, say hello to the camera. This is everybody. This is family camp. This is 2013.
All right.
And Forrest.
Thanks to David for taking charge of these fun games. That was really good.
Woo!
All of you who participated, well done.
Yeah.
Okay,
So fun.
we'll be around the
Sonoma
campfire
bean.
for a while. We do have a little bit of peach
right? So
cobbler
you say,
that we
"Sinimi
would be
bean."
willing to share with people. If
Can you say sinimi?
have a-
Please eat peach cobbler.
Like this family only. Just kidding.
if you haven't gotten sick on these guys.
Hey, Sonoma, say Sinimi bean.
Sinimi bean.
This is our last night before. Well, it's not our last night before India, but it's our last night with the Olsen family before India. So we're saying goodnight. Okay, bye. Oh, look, there's Gideon. Giddy, giddy, giddy. Cute.
Who here is not going to be here tomorrow?